Raining so hard, guys. A while ago, it's so windy. It's better now. Look at the tree. Look. We're having a brown blackout here. Now look. Lightning, thunder. I don't know if there's an LPA or a typhoon. Can you see that, guys? Let's check at the back. Here's at the back of the house. The back of that brown building is already SM. It's covered by the window already. Thank you guys for watching. Huminto ng ulan. I hope the electric current will be back. Kasi nawala ang kuryente. Ito si Shine Weather, si Yum Yum Created, si Anne's Lifestyle, Dark Shadow, Inday Waray Bisdak, Michelle Portilla Vlogs, Vanessa Mejos, Adams Barwell, si Adams Apple, hello, Bentley. Thank you guys for watching. I will be able to continue this as soon as the light will get back. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't worry, I'll get back to you. But please, do not say something na balikan mo ako. Alam na this. No, you don't have to tell me that. Alam ko na, as long as you watch my video, say something about the video that I will surely get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Ayan, huminto na ang ulan. Sana babalik na yung kuryente. Bye.